So you want to make hundreds of thousands of dollars wholesaling real estate. Well, it's going to take the right system to do that. Once I implemented the right system in my wholesaling business and in my wholesaling career, I went on to make millions of dollars in this business. I got started wholesaling real estate when I was 16 years old, and in just 2 years, I became a millionaire by the age of 18 wholesaling real estate. And I give a lot of the credit to why I was able to be so successful in wholesaling to using the right CRM, the right Podio CRM system to be the heart of my wholesaling business. We're here at my Scottsdale, Arizona real estate office, and I want to break down exactly why you need to use the right system in your business, how to set it up, and give you a full overview of it so that way you can implement the right platform into your wholesaling company and have massive success as well. So let's jump in on the computer and let me show you exactly what the right CRM is to use, how to implement this system into your business, and why it's going to help you make so much more money wholesaling. Let's jump into it. All right, now that we're on the computer, lots of people, get advice out there that if you're just starting wholesaling, you could keep track of your leads on a spreadsheet just like this with seller name, address, phone, and notes, right? And then just call the sheet leads, right? Well, the issue with this is, number one, it's not the best way to be organized. Number two, it doesn't keep track of everything in different sections of being interested, not interested, etc. It doesn't do automatic follow-up. You're not able to send contracts from a spreadsheet. Like, it doesn't have all the systems and processes in place that a real wholesaling business needs in order to make the type of money that you want to make in this business. So what I recommend is using Podio, and I'm going to show you what the absolute best Podio setup is. It's called Wholesale CRM, and I'm going to show you exactly that. Now, this does cost a little bit of money, but look, if you have a little bit of money, it makes sense to be organized and have all the systems and processes versus spending no money on using a sheet like this, because you're going to miss out on so many deals. So if you want to capture all the deals and make more money, just invest a little bit of money. It starts at like $67 a month, or maybe it's $97 a month to get the Wholesale CRM. It is the ultimate Podio setup. I'm going to break down the whole platform for you, but first, let's give you a brief overview. The Wholesale CRM automates your real estate business, okay? It is the center of a successful wholesaling business. So what that means is it's going to be the heart of your wholesaling business. It's going to handle your full acquisitions department, your full dispositions department, your full transactions department. It's going to keep track of all your marketing, your sales, your KPIs, employees, and so much more. Now, it also is going to do automatic follow-up for you. We got to remember the money is in the follow-up. In all my years of building this business, I attribute a lot of my success to our follow-up game because, again, the money is in the follow-up. And so if you focus on that, you're going to have success, but it's hard to do all the follow-up yourself as a human being, and you can only have so many team members. So you need a system, a CRM, a software that will do automatic follow-up for you, sending texts and emails to the sellers on an ideal sequence to follow up with them for you. There's also an app so you can stay in touch with your business on the go on your phone, and all of this is included as well. And so let's break it down further, right? I want you to be able to set up your Podio like this, or if you want it set up for you, just go to wholesalecrm.com. There will be a link down below in the description for this where you can sign up for Wholesale CRM. Now, when you first log in, this is the activity page, and this shows everything that's been going on in your company, what team members have been doing for the past day, weeks, everything. You can see all their activity. On the right-hand side, you're going to be able to see the setup resources and the knowledge base, anything if you need that, and there's going to be some KPIs here, like how many deals you've closed monthly, how much assigned you have in the pipeline, okay? And all your team members will be up here. Now we move on to the most important app out of the whole thing, and it's the Seller Leads app. This is the app that handles your full acquisitions department. Once you log into the Seller Leads app, what you're going to see is on the left-hand side, you're going to see key performance indicator views that help put in a bird's eye view right in front of you all the most important metrics, like how many leads in total do you have, how many new untouched leads are there, how many leads you have in each lead status, right? How many leads are in new untouched, how many are in discovery, how many are in interested follow-up, how many are in not interested follow-up, how many written offers you made each month, how many verbal offers you made each month, and then contracts signed. How many contracts signed per month are you getting, right? All that's going to be right there at a bird's eye view, so that way you can keep track of the most important things in your business, at quickly, right? It's easily to see this information, so that way you can grow, implement, and scale and always be on top of your numbers. So that way you're not flying blind in your business. Now, when you go out there and conduct marketing, whether that's digital ads, cold calling, it could be any marketing channel, SMS, anything. Once you find a motivated seller, okay, once you find a lead that is interested in selling their house from your marketing, it's going to automatically flow directly into the system, and a seller lead profile is going to be created for each and every seller. As you can see here, I just created a test one for you, but it's going to create a profile for every single motivated seller you're working with. Seller name, spouse name, address. You can assign an acquisition manager, a team member to it. Navigation. That's where you can click through and go through the profile quickly, right? So if you want to navigate quickly through their profile, you can click these buttons. Their contact information is going to be saved here. The Zillow information is automatically going to feed through. Lead status. That's where it tracks everything else, right? So here, it's going to keep track of the lead source. What marketing channel did it come from? Was it from telemarketing, website, SMS, digital ads, direct mail? What marketing channel did it come from? Stage of contact. This is where it keeps track of how many times have you tried to contact the seller, and every time you click a call attempt, it actually sends them a text and an email letting them know you tried to reach them. And then contacted. When you click that button, it will send them a message letting them know that you really appreciate their time and it was so good talking to them. You can customize these messages as well. Made offer. This is where it keeps track of how many written and verbal offers you made and whether you made them a written or a verbal one. Lead status. This is where it organizes every lead into the right bucket it needs to be in. Is it a new lead? Is it discovery where you tried to call them but they didn't answer? And is it an interested follow-up? They were interested in selling. Is it in not interested? Is it do not contact, right? It organizes and sorts all the leads into their proper bucket. And then temperature. It will tag and organize the leads by their temperature. Is it a hot lead, warm, cold, or dead? And then most importantly, it's going to organize all your leads by their motivation. What's their reason for selling? Are they a tired landlord? Are they unemployed? Medical problems, death, divorce? Why do they want to sell, right? It's going to organize all your leads by that. Then we move on to automatic follow-up. Like I told you, it's going to automatically follow up with your sellers for you on an ideal sequence. So it's going to send them texts and emails on an ideal sequence with the most perfect messages, right? To follow up with them for you. Again, I've made millions of dollars wholesaling real estate, and a lot of that money came from the follow-up. So having a system that will do follow-up for you beyond just the team members you have in your office or beyond yourself makes you make more contacts, talk to more homeowners, touch them more often, so then ultimately you can get more deals. And I'll show you how we set all that up in a minute. And seller info. This is where the notes come in. If it was like a cold call lead or whatever notes you got from your marketing, they'll show right there. And then contract creation. This system automatically generates the contracts for you to send to the seller to sign at the click of a button. No longer waste all your time filling out contracts word by word and all that, right? Because let's face it, the longer you take to fill out the contract and send it to them, the more deals you're going to miss out on. So if you can simply just input their name, the offer amount, the title company, the earnest money, the close of escrow, and then click boom, generate contract, send for signature, you're going to be able to send the contract while on the phone with them rather than hanging up with them to write it up and then sending it to them and then they never answer the phone again. Send the contract while you're on the phone with them so you can lock the deal down with them right then and there. So you just input the few pieces of information, click send the contract. You're going to be able to send it while you're on the phone with them. And what does this do? It lets you be able to send way more written offers to them because it's all done at the click of a button. And then all your notes will be tracked on the right-hand side. So roof new, AC old, new countertops, needs to be painted. All right, so if I take all my notes, I put them right here on this side. In the notes section, the comments, you can see I just posted those notes. Boom. And now we're able to keep track of all our notes, all our seller profile information, and there you go. You're able to master the game of wholesaling real estate acquisitions by having a system that organizes everything with every motivated seller just like this, so that way you can lock up more deals. Now that we have went through that profile, what I'm going to show you is we can go ahead and send them a contract. Once they sign that contract, we can click Contract Signed, Send to Transactions. Now what this does is it's going to send all the information about that deal, all the information about that seller, over to your dispositions department. Dispositions department. So what does that look like? The transactions app is where your dispositions department is held. Once we click that contract signed, send to dispositions, boom, there we go. We now have a profile of that transaction, of that deal for our disposition manager to work. Again, on the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see all transactions and the statuses. How many deals are you waiting to market? How many are assigned? How many are closed? How many deals you've signed this month? How many you've closed this month? All your important key performance metrics for dispositions, you're going to be able to see right there at a bird's eye view. Now, when we click into the transaction profile, you're going to see on the right-hand side all those notes that I typed came through automatically. All the seller's profile came through, and now we can choose our exit strategy. Are we wholesaling it? Is it an ovation? Is it a fix and flip? Is it a rental? Is it creative, right? So this one's going to be a wholesale. The acquisition manager is going to feed through. We can assign a transaction manager, a disposition manager to it. The occupancy is going to come through, but then we get through the opening stage. And you're going to see opening stage, marketing stage, assigning stage, closing stage. It's going to walk your disposition manager, it's going to walk your team member through every step of getting the deal sold and closed. So that way you can successfully get the contract from contract to close and actually get paid in an organized process, systemized process. So in the opening stage, it's going to tell us exactly what we need to do. File the contract. Send it to the title company, get earnest money deposited, and introduce transaction coordinator to seller. And we can click these as we go through those steps. Did we order the pictures, right? All the contract information is going to feed through from the seller lead, the seller profile automatically. So now once we have that and we get photos of the property, we're ready to market the deal. So we're going to do marketing. Now the property's in the marketing stage. We can post it to the Dispo Offers web form. I'll show you that. You're going to get your own website where buyers are going to be able to make offers on your deals right from the system, right? Then it walks us through what is the marketing price? Did we send it to any VIP buyers or hedge funds? And then it goes through every marketing channel possible. Did we blast it on InvestorLift? Did we text buyers? Craigslist, Facebook, how are we marketing our deal? Yes or no, did we do these? Any submitted offers that buyers submit on your website are going to show up directly right here as submitted offers, and you can store your marketing template right here. Then we go on to a signing stage. On a signing stage, same thing. Did we send the contract to the buyer? Did the buyer sign the contract? Did we send it to the title company? Did the buyer deposit earnest money? Cool. And then, again, it will generate the contract for you. No longer do you have to fill out assignment contracts when selling the deal to a buyer word by word. No, you just fill out a few pieces of information, click Generate Contract, and then you can send it to the buyer and they can sign right away, so you save a bunch of time there. And then closing stage. What's the final close date? Any miscellaneous costs, and it's going to give you your actual profit, and then you'll put it as closed. Again, you can take notes on the right-hand side. So as you can see, it'll take you through every single deal that you have under contract, getting it from contract to close. Now we move on to Dispo Offers. This is part of your disposition department. Like I mentioned, you're going to get your own website for buyers to submit offers in. So when you post a property to Dispo Offers, there's going to be a drop-down, and they're going to be able to see every address that you have for sale. They'll be able to choose their address, and then they'll be able to fill out their information and submit an offer to you. Once they submit that offer is going to show up on the transaction, or it will also show in Dispo Offers. Same thing for cash buyers, guys. You can build your cash buyers list out in the Wholesale CRM. Now, you're going to get a website for this as well where buyers can actually join your buyers list. You can go ahead and share this link and share this website with all the buyers and say, hey, join my buyers list. They're going to be able to fill out their buyer name, entity name, phone number, and their target areas. What markets are they buying in? What type of properties do they want to buy? And any notes, and what type of investor they are. They submit that, boom, and then they're going to show up right here on your cash buyers list in the CRM with all their info here on their own profile. So you can build out a very organized, amazing cash buyers list. And here, again, the views on the left-hand side to see how many buyers you have in every market, etc. Next thing, title companies. You're able to keep track of all the title companies you're working with that are closing your deals. And members. This is your full HR department, full human resources department. When you're hiring a team member, you go ahead and add them to the system by putting their name. You add their member, you assign it, their phone, their email, their hire date. Are they active or terminated? What department are they working in? Are they in-house or VA? This is how you can keep track of every team member that's on your team. Now, when it comes to the automatic follow-up, like I told you, you're going to set it up in here, and we give you everything to plug in to get the perfect sequence and the perfect messages to go out. So in autoresponders, you build it out, the messages that are going to be said, and then here's where you build out the sequence, okay? So you can choose what action happens in X amount of days. So that way you can automate the auto follow-up, okay? And then key performance indicators. This is where it keeps track of all your marketing and everything like that. How many leads daily are you getting from your marketing? How many leads monthly? Leads per marketing channel, daily, monthly. Contracts sent monthly, contracts signed, deals closed, revenue per month. All your most important key performance metrics are tracked right here. And then there's the settings app where you set things up. Again, I know I'm giving a brief overview here, but once you sign up for the Wholesale CRM, all the setup resources are right here, and there is a knowledge base where there is, I believe, 6 videos that go over everything on how to set the system up perfectly. So it becomes very simple to use, but again, guys, if you want to sign up for the Wholesale CRM, it's the absolute best system out there for your wholesaling real estate business. There's going to be a link down below in the description for you to sign up, or you can just go to wholesalecrm.com. Now, it is the absolute best Podio setup out there. Wholesale CRM is the absolute best Podio setup out there. And in entirety, it is the absolute best CRM for a wholesaling real estate business. I've been using it for my business for over 6 years. There is nothing better. Go High Level isn't better. Investor Fuse is not better. None of these other ones are better because what they've done is they've tried to put so much stuff in there that it's became really clunky. They wanted to make it look sophisticated and like that it's going to be all this cool stuff, but a lot of it doesn't actually do anything. And so it just makes your business more of a mess and less organized. What Wholesale CRM does is it's put the most important components in the CRM, in the system, and nothing else. So that way, it's KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Keep it organized. Get everything we need. All the things that are most important. The sending the contracts automatically. The organization. The profiles for every lead. Automatic follow-up. Your key performance metrics, right? All of that. Get all of that. But don't have any of the other stuff that's unnecessary because that will make your business a mess. That'll make your business more confusing. So keeping it simple, but having everything to grow to $1 million a year, to make $100,000 a month in wholesaling. That's what the Wholesale CRM provides. So guys, if you're not signed up for it yet, click the link down below, sign up for Wholesale CRM, and I hope you guys found this video helpful for showing you what CRM is needed for your wholesaling real estate business. There's going to be a lot more videos uploaded on my channel about wholesaling real estate, so make sure you hit the like button, go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. One last thing I want to remind you of is I hold a free 1-hour live training every single week where I teach you for 1 hour step-by-step how to wholesale real estate live, a live call with me. So if you want to get on a live mentorship call with me, there's going to be a link down below for that as well. And I also have my free wholesaling course. You can join it at freewholesalingrealestate.com. There will be a link down below for it as well, where you can get access to 20 free course videos for 100% free to learn the business. I hope that helps, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.